Select Transfer In. Choose the currency you'd like to transfer. Select Blockchain Transfer as the transfer method. Select your network. Note: ensure the network supports your specific asset. Send funds to the blockchain address below. If transferring in from a private wallet, provide additional verification later in your transaction history to finalize. If transferring in from a custodial wallet, complete a travel rule declaration via your transaction history to credit funds into your account. After you've completed the transfer, select I've transferred. You will receive an email once your funds have been credited with network transaction fees applied. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.